Have you ever wondered why when you take your sweater off in winter it makes those crackling noises? Maybe you've heard of the words static electricity. Today we're going to be exploring that and a lot more using all of these objects that you see in front of you. We've got some different rods, plastic, resin, glass. We've got a lot of different types of materials. We've got some tape, a can, balloons. So, as you might or might not know, everything around us is made up of little particles. And some of these particles can be positively charged, and we call those protons, and others are negatively charged, and we call those electrons. And protons are usually big and heavy, and they can't move around, and electrons are much, much smaller, and they move around a lot. So when I rub two things together, like this wool and this plastic rod, the electrons can move from one material to the other. In this case, they move from the wool to the rod. So let's see what happens when I put this rod against these styrofoam balls. So do you see what happened? The two balls seem to be pushing each other away. They're repelling each other. And this is because they both have the same type of charge. They're both negatively charged. And that's because the rod that we rubbed got all the electrons from the wool and had extra electrons and became negatively charged. And when I pressed it against the balls, they both got more electrons. And if you can see, when I put the rod close to the balls, they also don't want to touch the rod. That's because like charges that are the same, so negative and negative or positive and positive, repel each other. And opposite charges, like positive and negative, attract each other. So what do you think would happen if I brought this piece of wool close to those balls? Oh, you see that? They're attracted to the wool. That's because the wool is positively charged and the balls are negatively charged.